$4,000 hits your account Friday morning. By Monday, you've got 800 left. And you bought. What exactly? You can't even remember. This is the broke paradox. You make money, good money, but you're always running on empty. Let me show you where it's actually going, because I guarantee you have no idea. Your paycheck is $4,000. Here's what happens to it in real time. Day 1. Friday. Money arrives. You feel rich for about 3 hours. Then the automatic payments start hitting. Rent gone. $1,200. You knew that was coming. Car payment. $400. Forgot that was today. Insurance. $150. Why is insurance always more than you remember? You're at $1,750 already, and you haven't eaten yet. Saturday morning. Groceries. You're trying to be responsible. Still hit $200 somehow. Those organic blueberries added up. Saturday night. Dinner and drinks. You didn't go crazy, just hung out. $120. Sunday brunch, $60. Coffee, $6. Gas, $50. We're 4 days in. You've spent $2,300. You have $1,700 left for the next 26 days. Week 2 hits. Small stuff starts bleeding you dry. Lunch at work because you didn't prep. $15. Times 5 days. 75 gone. Coffee on the way. $5. Times 5. Another 25. Subscriptions bill. Netflix, Spotify, that meditation app you used twice. The gym membership you swore you'd use this month. $150. Random Amazon order from 2 weeks ago that you forgot about. $80. We're day 14. You have maybe $600 left. Rent's due again in 2 weeks. You didn't buy anything crazy. You didn't splurge. You just lived. And now you're broke again. The real problem. Here's what nobody tells you. Your salary isn't the problem. $4,000 a month is real money. The problem is you're treating your bank account like a bucket with a hole in it. Money flows in. Money flows out. You have no idea where. You just know it's gone. Your brain can't track it. You'll spend 40 here, 60 there. Doesn't feel like much. But 40 plus 60 plus 30 plus 20 equals 4,000 real fast. And here's the thing. You're trying. You're being careful. You're not buying stupid shit. But careful doesn't work without a system. The fix. Different approach. Forget budgeting apps. Forget spreadsheets. Forget tracking every dollar like it's a part-time job. Here's what actually works. 3 buckets. That's it. Bucket 1. Survival. 60% of your paycheck. This is rent, food, insurance, utilities, gas. The stuff that keeps you alive and employed. $2,400 if you make $4,000. This money is dead to you. It's already spent before it hits your account. Bucket 2. Future. 20%. $800. This goes to savings, debt, investments. Whatever helps future you not be broke forever. This money is also dead to you. You don't see it. It moves automatically. Bucket 3. Life. 20%. $800. This is yours. Restaurants, concerts, that new jacket, whatever. Blow it. I don't care, because you already handled the first 2 buckets. When you get paid, the money splits automatically. You never see the full 4,000 in one place. You can't accidentally spend your rent money on dinner because it's not in the same account. You can't skip savings this month because it already moved. And you can spend your fun money guilt-free because you know everything else is covered. Most budget advice tells you to track everything. Write down every purchase. Review it weekly. Optimize. That's exhausting. Nobody does that long term. This system requires 1 hour of setup. Then it runs itself. You're not tracking. You're not optimizing. You're not feeling guilty every time you buy coffee. You just divided your money once, and now it works. The challenge for you. Try this for 30 days. Next paycheck, split it into 3 accounts. Survival, future, life. See if you feel broke on day 14. I'm betting you won't. because for the first time, you'll know exactly where your money is, and more importantly, where it isn't going. Subscribe if you want more of this. Next video, I'm breaking down how to build an emergency fund even if you are starting with nothing. Let's go.